we have a lot of exciting news to report here at East Elementary. Let's get started with today's lunch menu.
Lunch is a cheese quesadilla, salsa, sour cream, refried beans, fresh cauliflower, savory rice, and peach parfait.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Let's check and hear our joke of the day.
What kinds of stories do rabbits like the best?
I don't know.
Ones with happy endings. Ha ha ha, that's funny. That's a good one.
Time to see who has a birthday. Today is Caden Huber in first grade's birthday. On Saturday, we want to wish happy birthday to Ellie and Carla in preschool, and Adam Bean and Grayson Gardner in first grade. And finally on Sunday, Diego Yoki in second grade will be celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday!
Thanks, guys. I wonder what the weather will be like today at recess.
The weather will be mostly cloudy and rainy with a high of 42 and low of 41. Be sure to check Froggy at recess time to can explain to the weather code at lunch today.
Stand with us as we say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Finally, it is time for our Golden Hawk promise. I am a Golden Hawk. I am a Golden Hawk. I am a person of character. I am a person of character. I am respectful. I am respectful. I am responsible. I am responsible. I'm safe. I am safe. Go Hawks. Go Hawks. Make it a great day at East Elementary.